All right, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. And here we go. Straight into it. Took the packaging off. Obviously, this is a homage watch. I bought it on the 11/11 sale from AliExpress. Direct from the... Actually, two stores. So there's a two-part order ordered on the same invoice. So Proxima and the kind of matching... I guess it's a sister company, or it could be the same company, Unidive. The watches are very similar, but this is the adjustable clasp or rubber bracelet that comes with a silicone bracelet. So I'm excited because this is my first kind of true homage watch, and I know I'm a little bit behind the game here, but first kind of one of these Pelican style packages. So here we go, and yeah, you guys can guess which one this is. All right. Yes, beautiful. True homage to the MM300. I love it already. I got the stainless kind of bezel insert, and I think this is going to be one of their newer styles. So let's go ahead and get this rubbed off. Newer, what I mean is that you can swap out the kind of the shroud and turn it into a turtle, or turn it into, or leave it as a MM300. Look at those lines of polishing and then brush. They really did a good job here. I was at my local AD a couple of weeks ago. I really had the MM300 itch, and I knew I had ordered this, but that itch was so strong. I went to the AD, I tried on a real MM300, and yes, it's expensive. Here in Canada, it was retailing for about $3,800. And I just couldn't do it, not yet. I want to see what all the hype was. I want to see how it was going to fit on wrist. And just looking at it, the weight is the same, the feel is the same. Very similar specifications. But they didn't have the steel bezel insert. It kind of works with the gilt tones. Just, man, look at those hands. I know it doesn't say Marine Master, it's a Scuba Master, but it's not a complete photocopy, which I also like too. So Proxima, out of all the brands, I know Steel Dive, Addy's Dive, I believe San Martin has ventured into the MM300 path. This one here, I checked out a lot of videos, and you guys can comment below. Maybe I made a mistake, maybe I didn't get the right one, but I believe Proxima is, like, this is what they specialize in. They make homage watches, yes. They have a few other different styles, but these guys specialize in MM300 homages. So I'm pretty sure I got the good one. Pretty sure I got a really good one, and hopefully I did. As you guys can see, it's finished really well. It's still cold from the packaging, and yeah. So let's see if I can take some of this plastic off. Really excited about this one. I was so curious how it was gonna wear. And so I really wanted to see, you know, how it was gonna wear, and if I do really like it and I do get used to it, then guess what, I'll fork up the dough and go get a real Marine Master. But I guess that's why sometimes these homage watches are kind of cool, because it can give you the feel, it can give you the, you know, it's not a true indication, but it can give you somewhat of an idea of how the watch is going to be. And if you don't like it, then, you know, you didn't waste all that money. You don't have to try and reselling it. This has an NH35. I'm really struggling here. Sorry, guys. This is a lot harder than people think. I believe there's a flap underneath. And yeah, so this was 200. I'm going to speak again in Canadian dollars, so bear with me. But this was $218. I think it was listed Canadian for $260. So between coupons and coins, and you guys know how the AliExpress stuff works, 11/11 sale and all that, I got it for a really good price. So I think $218 was fair. This is gorgeous. Oh, this is so nice. I was so afraid it was going to be super big, but already I can tell it's not going to be. It's going to fit on my wrist. We'll do a quick wrist shot here as well. I'm going to put this down. quick wrist shot. Got the Manta Ocean King on a cheapest NATO strap, ribbed style NATO, and just screams vintage. So let me just get this off and we'll do a quick wrist check. I'm not going to size it now. So 6 3/4 inch wrist. It's actually not even that heavy. I think I can get away with wearing this all day and I wouldn't complain about wrist fatigue or anything like that. Oh, such a nice bezel. No back play, no bounce. It's kind of tight and stiff right now, but nice sound, nice feel, nice grip. Got that Marine Master style bezel. And what do you guys think? I think it is pretty damn close and I'm extremely happy with it. So again, 6 3/4 inch wrist. Try and go a little bit down. And for me, I don't mind a bigger watch on wrist, so this is gonna work well. And like I said, I can always pair it with this adjustable rubber strap. Milled clasp. Yeah, it has those big links. It doesn't have obviously the Seiko adjustable bracelet. I can always aftermarket that. But I think this works really well. I'm really happy with it so far. So first impressions are good. It's got drilled lugs. Again, milled clasp. So really, really nice. I'm going to do another video, guys, soon. So stay tuned and we'll go for it. Once again, thanks for watching and we'll see you guys soon.